everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. My name is Nye-E-Ma and today will be the last video in my favorite series. It's going to be on gel stylers. So first off, we have an oldie but goodie, my all-time favorite gel. It is the Kynthiana's Naturals Curl Maker. I've been using this one for years. It is kind of expensive at $22, but it's so worth it. The amount of shine, definition, and hold that you get is amazing. I will always buy this. It does have coconut oil in it if you're sensitive, but it is an amazing, amazing, amazing natural gel. The next one I have here is something that they no longer make anymore. It is the original Kynthiana's Lavender Crush Defining Gel. The new one, right, I'm gonna talk about that because it's not my favorite. This is the old formula. It's brand new. I haven't opened it yet. This one is pretty good in the winter time. I will not use this one in the summer because it has glycerin in it. And glycerin in my hair, humidity, don't mix. So I will use this one in the winter time. It has, I'd say, a medium hold compared to the Curl Maker, which I think has a stronger hold. This says it has max definition, but it's, in my hair, it's not max definition. But this one has crazy shine, crazy slip, and it smells good. I have used the new formulation of the gel, and it's a soft hold. I can't do anything with a soft hold. My hair needs medium to strong hold, if not extra strong hold. Like, no way. Next, I have probably it's up there with the Curl Maker, which is crazy. I didn't think anything could come between me and the Curl Maker, but this one might. This is the My Organics Pomegranate and Honey Curling Custard. I have that in my hair today, and my hair is always extreme. Like, if I want extreme definition and shine, I'm gonna use this one. I like it because I can get, you know, second and third day hair out of that, even out of TWA. But my hair is growing. I don't know if you guys can see my roots. I'm so happy. So yeah, and this one just smells amazing. The Curl Maker doesn't really have a smell to me, but the amount of shine, slip, and definition that this gives is amazing. I mean, like I said, ultra defined hair. If that's what you're looking for, grab this. I highly recommend it. It's amazing. Alright, and my last favorite gel, which is a brand new product that I just recently discovered. It is expensive as heck, oh my god, but it's very good. It's the Diva Curl Archangel Gel. It's a maximum hold, no crunch styler. And they are so true when I say no crunch. I never thought I could have a maximum hold gel give no crunch. Like, this leaves my hair very soft, but the hold is there. Like, it's absolutely amazing to me. I think it's like $26 or $28, and I don't know, it's expensive, but I will repurchase it because it's great. If I want, because sometimes I don't want like the crunch hold like I have today. Like, I just want like my hair to feel soft but have that hold. I'm gonna pick this up. And with the super cream, absolutely amazing. And once again, Diva Curl is sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, which is all the things that I look for in natural hair products, because I need my hair to have the most definition, most moisture, and the most shine. And this gives that for it. I can't get over the no crunch part of this for it to be maximum hold. So if that's what you're looking for, like you want your hair to feel soft but also have that hold, definitely give this a try. It's pretty good. And if you guys want me to do a video on Diva Curl, because I don't think I've featured them on my channel yet, just let me know. Drop down a comment, give this video a like, let me know. Alright, and that concludes my favorite series. Unless you guys want me to talk about oils or something, I have a couple that I like for my scalp, not my hair. If you guys want me to talk about those, let me know. Otherwise, this will be the last video in my favorite series. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!